Hello, we're down here at the weigh station and the ladies have been a little bit topsy-turvy at sea today. A little bit rough, but there's been some terrific fish weighed and I'm going to talk to some of the ladies. I'd like you to come along with me and have a look. And a big thank you to the sponsors for having a sausage sizzle. Come and have something to eat with us and a drink and let's enjoy the night.
Now we're in trouble, ladies.
So you're frying a few sausages up here, Jeff?
No, you got the wrong impression.
Jeff the chef? Are you actually putting on a wig and pretending you're Jeff the chef this year?
I really believe you've got the wrong person.
I know, but you look like him and you're chefing tonight.
My name's Jay.
I know, darling.
Not gay.
Jay.
Are you getting paid for this job?
Can we talk about this behind the camera, please, my dear?
No, darling, don't be nervous, don't be camera shy. Big thank you to these fellas doing our sausage sizzle. We love them dearly. Gray the man. Good on you, Pete.
Too easy, girl.
We're all going to have a drink later, aren't we?
Absolutely.
That's the way.
If we're not already having one now.
Thanks for doing this for us, guys. Without people like you helping us, Ribbons wouldn't be here. With tradition today on a beautiful 50-foot vessel, and all the girls here had a good rough and tumble day, but we got the first fish of the day with Jess here. How was that, Jess?
No, it was good. It was a big surprise. We just got the lines in the water and bang. So no, it was nice. So
Dolphin fish?
Little dolphin fish. So
And what was that at 8:34?
8:34.
That's a great effort.
Didn't mess around getting it in.
So did you have an awesome day, girls?
We had a great day.
Back next year.
That's what Ribbons is all about, isn't it?
Certainly.
It's a bonus getting fish, and we love to get fish, and we're competitive. But I think it's just absolutely, amazing if you go out there and have fun with your mates.
Yeah.
We
And
did.
so we're all
Great
about
time.
fun, friendship, and fishing. Would you
We
say
are.
that was what happened out there with you guys today?
Definitely.
For sure. Yeah.
Terrific. Well, thank you, girls. Go and weigh your fish.
No worries. Thanks.
We're here with Robbie, my brother from Erskine's Tackle World, one of our sponsors. So, Rob, the girls got knocked around a little bit today.
Yeah, I bet they did. It would have been pretty rough out there today, but they still got out there and did the job.
And I think that when it's all said and done, they've all come in with a smile on their face, and there's been quite a few fish weighed as we speak.
Yeah, some nice ones over there, some nice Spaniards and a few yellowfin and everything. So yeah, it's looking good. The girls done a good job even in the bad conditions.
Exactly. And that's what we, name of the game is fun, friendship and fishing. And it wouldn't be part of this event either if it wasn't for you guys, the sponsors. And although you're my brother, you are a sponsor. And it's terrific, Erskine's Tackle World. And also too, we're about to have a champagne and relax and enjoy the night. So thanks, Rob.
No problem, fantastic.
No one really needs to introduce Wayne Wombles Wallace, ex-Forcier King, and Robin Wallace, his beautiful wife, who was our past president for how many years, Rob?
I really can't remember. That's how old I'm getting, Susie.
5 years perhaps.
About that, I think, yeah, until we
And-
left Cairns.
Yeah. And you've been fishing our event for many, many years on and off too.
Yeah, I came back for the 10th, the 15th, 20th and the 25th, so I'm looking forward to coming back for the 30th, if not sooner.
It's great to have you guys down here and participate and see you at our weigh-in and all the activities that are going on. It's just a truly great event, isn't it?
I'm so proud that this is still going after 26 years. It's great to see that the young people of today, who are our junior anglers now, are fishing in the tournament. And it just goes to show that when you can offer something to everybody and in every age group, that it actually is taken up. And I'm just so proud to see that there's so many people still, supporting the tournament and still having a lot of fun. And that's what it's really all about.
Thank you so much, and truer words said. So, Wayne, what have you been up to? We're interested.
Well, basically, I've been putting up with her for so many years. We're living in Brisbane now.
You had to get away from everybody.
I had to. They were all starting to catch up with me in my past history, but no, it's great to see everybody to come up here, and it's, again, I reflect Robin's words. Fantastic, absolutely great to see that this is going from strength to strength. And I mean, if you can understand the ramblings of a soon-to-be 60-year-old for her birthday next week.
Who looks 40.
Who looks 40, only because of the face, the Botox and such, that I have to work harder for, and everything else. But seriously, it is great to see and it's fantastic. And I just wish that it just continues on and you have continuing success with it, Susie.
Thank you, Wayne and Robin Wallace. Okay, we have the girls here from Allure, our president, Di Hance. So, Di, how about that weather dropping out this morning you mentioned?
Well, okay, call me liar, pants on fire. Be the president, you've got to stay positive. And to be truthful, it was 15 to 20 knots until you got outside. And I believe it was about 2.5 metres seas at 26 knots.
Fresh to frightening, Di.
Yeah, so look, you know, I've got a fabulous captain, Biggs, and I said, oh, Biggs, I've got 2 girls down. I think we better come on the inside of the reef. 2 girls down, one's looking, So anyway, we were fishing on the inside of the reef for a while, and I went, oh, another hour or so. Oh, Biggs, another girl down.
Never mind, you all had a ball nonetheless.
We did.
Yes, exactly. I've got a new theme song though.
What is it?
I'm still standing.
Better than you ever did. I'd like to hear the tale of the Little Tubs. What happened today, Jake? And what happened last night?
Well, we sort of called it quits. We were working up on the tip of Australia, and we knew that we had to make it home in time to take the girls in their tournament, which they've been waiting for all year. So we steamed all the way from the tip of Australia to Cooktown and got to Cooktown, and then we had to steam the little boat from Cooktown all the way to here.
Goodness.
And we broke down halfway, and yeah, we got it going again and made it down here late last night, and we all didn't get to bed till really late last night, and then got up today and went out there, and the girls all got a fish, and
that is just fantastic.
Yeah.
I'm really happy that you guys eventually made it, and your passion for ribbons, you must love our event.
Yeah.
I'm so
it's
wrapped.
great.
It's all about the kids and the girls, and yeah, we do love it. And we'll be here until these guys can take the boat on their own.
That's just terrific. And you know, the main thing is too that you all guys got here safe and sound.
Yeah.
And you all got a fish. And good on the Little Tubs.
Yeah. Go the Tubs.